It is advisable to get your eye examined routinely for glaucoma screening after the age of 40. Like, it is not necessary to wait for glaucoma screening till you get symptoms, because by the time you get the symptoms, as I said, like you would have lost around 70 to 80% of the vision. So it is, as it is a preventable disease, it is very important to diagnose glaucoma at an early stage. So it is important to get your eyes screened once a year after the age of 40, and more so if you have a family history of glaucoma. Currently I am working in Sri Ramakrishna Nethralaya, Vashi. Previously I was working in Lakshmi Eye Institute, Panvel from 2006 to 2022 as Deputy Director Cataract Services and Glaucoma Specialist. In order to book an appointment, please call on the numbers mentioned below at Sri Ramakrishna Nethralaya at Vashi branch. I will be available from 11 o'clock in the morning to 7 o'clock in the evening.